then you know the interesting thing, you the second lady kwi CTM ever since
Really?
I've started. And my next question is, because now kulabantu babalile, I didn't hear you mentioning a woman.
Ukush is a woman. Ulunesit is a woman.
If you were to work with both genders, yeyiphi ofila okay, you've worked with both genders. Yeyiphi flow wayo for when?
I think a few years back, bengizo answer differently the question, but now that's ngikhulile ngabona. I think kuyafana. You know, washo ubhekumuzi wathi ozela amantombazane uyafana nozela insizwa inkinga ziyafana. So I would say mhlambe bengizothi hey amantombazane anedrama or ngithi abantu besisa kanje, but kuyafana. Sex doesn't count. Abantu baneyindlela zabo nje of doing things. Kuya ngomuntu uthi unjani.
Females.
Awuna lucky. In the bag.
I do have good people elifini yami like about females, but when it comes to my craft, I don't have luck at all. Ngisho noma ngavula live mina.
Akungena amantombazane.
Baba, maybe I can get 2 out of maybe 200 people who are there.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder. I think mina mangicheck ama stats ku balanced between men and women.
No, mina I don't want to lie. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi you the second lady. There's a girl. Okay, there's a lady who obizwa ngokuthi nguLiso. She once came ngizokulalela ingoma yakhe masiqedela. It was breath, like it was that thing ukuthi ngathi more women can come through, you know. I want, because I mean,
do you reach out to women?
I do. That's the thing. Oh, you're the third. I'm so sorry. Yeah, you're the third. I'm sorry. I do. Trust me, I do.
Oh, you just don't get a my response.
Angna like. But njengobulana I just hope sebezofika amanina sebezofika. Yes. Let's talk about your EP Usipho. What was happening in that era kaSipho?
That was my first project, my first musical project. I was just presenting myself honestly at that time. That's why I ngibiza uSipho, because no Sipho, Sipho, and it's also a gift to my listeners. So yeah, it was a very emotional project. Throughout the project, but yeah, it was very beautiful making it. I worked on it with Abo Jama and Abo Rafu, and yeah, it was a beautiful project. I think abantu bengayilalela impela if they want healing and stuff like that. I also featured Uzamo Kofi on one of the songs to put poetry out there, you know. Yeah. That's what I can say, G. It was my first project, so I was just putting myself out there, burying myself.
And it was a success.
It was. It still is, yeah.
And
so and
I think it's something Noma in the next coming 50 years to come, you'll always go back to Sipho.
Someone is still gonna hear a song there 10
and
years
now
later.
And you'll be like,
what?
This
is a beautiful song.
Yeah, I love that. And then let's talk about it. Debut album, Nokhanyisa.
Yes, Unokhanyisa ngwenze under Inokhanyisa Entertainment.
Okay.
It was my project Sengi Independent. My first album, because being released the EP Usipho, and then I did Nokhanyisa. Still my name, Nokhanyisa. Gule, even on the cover, I had Ingane holding ikhandlela. So I was just shining light to the innocence of uthando. So ingoma just positive about love. Yeah, I was just going happy.
Yeah, I was
just writing some happiness songs, honestly. Happiness all over. The innocence of uthando. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
And then I know lately Nonyezi,
which is also my name.
Okay, so now let's talk Unyezi. What is Unyezi? I know what Unyezi. What is Unyezi?
Unyezi is the moon.
Okay.
So Unokhanyisa.
Nonyezi.
Unolanga Nonyezi.
Okay, because my daughter Ukwezi.
Ukhwezi. What
Yeah.
does ukhwezi mean?
Ukhwezi, it's that, yabona mase kuzosa. There's that one last star ihlale laphana yokugcina.
Oh.
Yes,
Wazoyichaza kamnandi ngathi uhayi inkomo. Deep down you are feeling it.
So my son's name uThubelihle, my daughter ukhwezi. So ngawahlanganisa ngathi Thuba lekhwezi. Ngoba sometimes kuye kube mnyama kakhulu. Kodwa mase ubona lela khwezi leliyana yazi ukuthi sekuzosa. So kuzokhanya.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
So yeah, let's talk about uNonyezi.
Nonyezi, it was supposed to be a sexy project. I was trying to do ingoma zase lawini, you know. But then it ended up being a project uThando ehlanganisile nje from uThando Luhle to i-breakup because iphela nge-breakup. So
hayi njengoba sihlala sibona abo happily ever after.
I so happily ever. So i-story nje uqaleni ukushela ukuncomana. In the middle is allowing the bedroom stuff, uThando, and then ekugcineni it's the breakup. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I was trying to do. But initially I really wanted it to be sexy, just that umqondo wami wavele wasuka lapho, and it just ended up being izinto ezihlukile.
I can imagine lapho salalela khona ukuthi okay, and like it's you know, I said the other day angazi nokuthi abantu besilisa bamaZulu bafundiswe ekhaya ukuthi kuyichilo yini ukudlula umuntu wesifazane ungancomi. You know, I love it so much when I hear them nje. Yabo njengoba eshijavu ukuthi intombi ishelwa ngamanga, you know. I remember ngangise-Bring yogibela itaxi. Wangisho ukuthi uma ngithanda athi cha mama ngicela wathi angifuni ungiqome kodwa nje ngicela
ukushela nje.
Wathi ngicela ungiyeke nje ngidlale ngamazwi ngisho lento engiyibona. It was a beautiful thing, and I was like kanti abafana bayekeleni ukusishela, you know, because they just take us for numbers and then from there they think uqomile. You know, and isiZulu, I believe that they tell beautiful tales ngokweshela umfana, like they put a clear picture of how it should be. So when amazothi ekugcineni when they break up,
ekugcineni uzosala, the last song isho njalo
ithi uzosala. I'm gonna go listen to it.
And then ngikubize ngamagama amahle nje lokhu uyangibhedela uzosala mawunganakile ke.
Wow. Because they sometimes baya relax ane.
Yeah, umuntu ba too comfortable. Ngithi mina ukuthanda ube too comfortable uzizwe untouchable.
Ngizokuthanda
ube too comfortable uzizwe untouchable.
Bese ngiyakudedela ke.
Yes, because sekusela uthando lami kuphela phela manje.
Angisho bayasho phela bathi lomunye maliphelile ku Bluetooth onemulo omunye.
Ayikho leyo nto leyo. Basuke bedlala kanti.
Phela baye basho kanjalo.